guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. We are going to be doing a little how-to on the Lotus Evora, my 2011 Lotus Evora S. This is going to be Evora S or just Evora. And there's going to be an S1 series, I believe. I think they still use all the same key. I'm not sure if they've changed it or not. But on my S1, my car came with a car key. I'm going to grab it real quick here for you guys. Here's my car key. Right here. It's kind of worn out. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but some of the buttons are kind of worn out on here. And so I ended up buying a new one from Lotus. And on this new key, let me go ahead and show you guys over here. Here is the new key that I bought. Right here. It is a replacement for this one. My other one was definitely worn out. I got it cut from Lotus, so they cut the actual key for it, and then I bought the fob part of it. It does separate, and I bought the fob part of it as well. As I'm starting to find out, everything with Lotus seems to be kind of expensive. So total price to get the key, $189.34 USD. That was for both parts, and to have it cut. So the key alarms transmitter was $120. The cutting was $22, and then the key cutting was $30. Excuse me, $22 for this front part of it. I did test this key. It does work, but it is not programmed to my car. So we need a program to the car, and that's what we're going to be doing today. I have some step-by-steps, and I guess it's my alarm code. You guys probably shouldn't see that, but that being said, here is some steps to do this. Okay, step one, there's a flashing light on the dash. That means a code is alarmed, so it says undo that. So there, it's unalarmed now. The car will start and the alarm is off. So that's procedure step one. All right, then step two is turn the ignition on where the alarm is not flashing, which we've done. So that's step two, ignition is on. Okay, so it says during the initial flashing, hold the unlock for at least 1 second. So I'm doing that now. Okay, it beeped. The alarm siren will emit a low beep, and the hazard lights will flash twice to confirm the system is in program mode, which I believe it did. Press any of the button on the new transmitter fob. So we're going to do the new transmitter fob. So we'll do that one. This car is giving me trouble. So lately, I don't know. I don't want to say bad things about Lotus, but whatever. So I was trying to reprogram the car key. I was just literally doing it and showing you guys how to do it. I can't even title the video how to do that. It's not working. It won't even, the car doesn't even lock. So I had this original issue. I did go out and buy a new battery, hoping that would fix it. The car won't lock. It's it has a brand new battery in the key. It's very temperamental. But yeah. So the real big issue with this car is not this key fob. The real big issue with this car is that it's not drivable anymore. Like almost immediately after getting it. I did take it down to Portland, so I went on a little trip with it. Put about 500 miles on it. Finally, I was excited. Got the car a little dirty. But now the car doesn't work. So what's going on with this car is this is a very common occurrence with the Lotus, and I just don't want to do it myself. I love working on my own cars, but I just don't want to do this one because my ELISE doesn't work, and I got this car as my daily driver and it's not working. So now I'm daily driving my MR2 again. Yeah, so I don't know if this was a good choice for that. I think I need a CELICA or I kind of want a Tundra or something. But what's going on with the car is, unfortunately, the master cylinder seems to be an issue where I drove it on a really warm day. The clutch fluid seems to overheat and it's no longer good, and or the master clutch fails. So I don't want to do any one of those because it's a front clam off job. So you have to actually remove front of the clam. Or if you know how to do it and you're really good and you've done it before, I've seen it on Lotus Talk where you don't have to. It's in here and you have to fiddle with it, but you can actually do it without the clam. I don't want to do it, and so I'm not going to do it. So what I am gonna do is pay Lotus of Bellevue, which is a very expensive area, a bunch of money to fix my new car. So they charge $169 an hour to work on it. So yeah, I'm gonna take this car, have it towed to the dealership. Man, I can't believe I'm going to a dealership. Ugh. And I'm gonna have them do a couple things. I'm gonna have them fix the clutch, because the clutch, what's happening is the car won't disengage. The clutch won't disengage. It's really weird, but the clutch has pressure. Some of them say where the clutch just goes down to the floor, but it has pressure for me, but it's not disengaging. When the engine's running, the flywheel and the transmission is not separating, the flywheel and the clutch isn't, so I can't get it into gear. I can start it in first and it'll lurch, and then I can drive it in first, but I can't shift once the engine's spinning, so I have to get it towed. It just sucks. This is like a brand new car. So is this just a Lotus Evora thing? It seems like if you read on Lotus Talk, it's a very common occurrence, but dang, I wanted to fix the car with the key fob, and then I kind of wanted to do this how-to myself, but I'm not gonna do it. So I'll let you guys know how much this bill is gonna be. I have a feeling it's gonna be a lot, so it sucks. 2 Lotuses. Like, I love working on my own cars, and I'm really struggling right now. This is just frustrating beyond belief. This is like a brand new car. I think I've had this car for like 15 days, and it's gonna cost me a mountain of money, so sucks. I'm not gonna say against Lotus, like don't go out and buy a Lotus, but I have 2 Lotuses. This has 47,000 miles on it, and my other one has 7,000 miles on it, and it's just like, come on man, run. Why isn't this thing running? So it should run and should be healthy. It shouldn't have any tricks or anything or any issues like that. I mean, after 100,000 or even after like 150,000, it should definitely have some, but it's a Toyota Camry V6. I mean, it should be fine. It's just the Lotus stuff on it. So anyways, yeah, that's it. I want to make more content with this car, but I don't think I'm gonna do it. I might do a video of me dropping it off in a tow truck, and then going from there, but dang! I miss having like a CELICA where it's just easy. I know how to do it all. It's simple. Parts are affordable. It's not. I mean, taking this car to the shop is gonna cost more than an entire car, like more than a CELICA. So yeah. There's a price tag to play with these. Make sure to like, subscribe, swing by MITCHDORE.com, grab some CELICA stuff. Yeah, we'll see what happens next. I couldn't do the key fob thing for you. It's not working. I don't know why. But I'll figure all this out and I'll share more with you guys on the next video. See you then.